I ain't got no gas in this bitch. I already know what it is. Start vehicle to reset. Alright. I'm making a video today. It shouldn't be too long, but it's gonna be a quick video. I'm finna go to O'Reilly's and see what this check engine light talking about. And I want y'all to know too. I don't wanna just be like, he ride with a check engine light. That's probably why it's squeaking and all that shit. It's not. That's not why my shit's squeaking. I already know what it is. I just gotta go. I just want y'all to know. This is a video for y'all. This is not a video for me. This is a video for y'all. As you can see, it's 7:46 in the morning. Shit, I don't even know O'Reilly's is open already. I don't even know. But we finna ride by there and see. But I wanna see what this check engine light is. And I know y'all want to know too. So I like that. Yeah. You finna go see what this check engine light talking about. I don't know when I'm gonna get this shit serviced. Probably when I get time. Cause you know niggas be working. Finna see why this check engine light came on. Oh, they fucking open. Ain't no fucking way. So they open. I'ma come back out and I'ma pick up the video where I left off. Alright, I got the code reader. So we finna plug it up and see. I wanna show y'all. God damn, I can't even. Come on, dude. Stay open. Okay. We got this plugged up. Let's turn on the ignition. Okay. Now let's see what the check engine light is. Okay, it said 1 out of 4. I got a P0456. Hey, let me know if y'all know how to fix these check engine, these codes. So that's the same code. It says pending. I don't know what that means. Permanent, I don't know what the fuck that means. Just says evap system small leak. Comment down below on how to fix this. And what shall I do to fix it? And please, if y'all new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, please. And I got a P0440. That's it, basically. 2 codes, P0456, and then P0440. Let me know down in the comment section. How do I fix this? How do I fix it? Please let me know. But I am going to erase this shit and see how long do it take to come back up. That's why I fuck with O'Reilly's, because they got fucking scanner. And I can just come and erase my shit. Hopefully they don't get tired of a nigga doing this shit, because I do this shit. I just want to show y'all what check engine, what codes my shit was shooting. And I just shooting some crazy shit. So I'm gonna keep it racing. I'm gonna keep it racing. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, that should be good. I'll be back. I'm finna go take this back, and then I'm gonna show y'all that the check engine light is gone, and all that. I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna do a cold start now. Well, not a cold start, warm start. It shouldn't turn off this time. I just cleared the codes. Hop in and let me show y'all that the check engine light is gone. Obviously the check engine light is gone because I remote started it and it hasn't shut off yet. So they let you know the check engine light gone. It ain't nothing but some simple shit. But I do want to get it fixed. Because who want a fucking check engine light on their fucking Scat Pack? Like that shit tacky as fuck, no cap. But yeah, the check engine light is gone. Comment down below if y'all know. Oh yeah. And y'all keep saying my turn signal light is out. I don't know why the fuck it say that, but look. Okay, you see it's on? Watch this. My shit definitely work. Both of my shit definitely work. Y'all see, it's working. Yeah, I just want to make a video for that too. Show y'all niggas if my shit working. I'm gonna get somebody to fix that shit. But yeah, that's a little quick video, goddamn. I'm gonna end this video. Hey, let me know in the comment section how I fix the codes, the P0440 and the P0456. Let me know in the comment section. Peace.